So this morning, my friendly bird, bringing me back to real life from all the crazy video work I've been doing this morning, is way up top on this post right in front of where I'm parked here in the Walmart parking lot, the pharmacy drive-thru where we've been. And he is singing his heart out. And I've been cheering him on, saying, "You're doing it. Go, baby. Hit it. Rockin' Robin. Go, Rockin' Robin, because you're really gonna rock tonight." He is good. He is good. The bird sings not to convey a message, but because he's got a song. That's what we all need to do. Sing because we got a song to sing. Let it out. Every day I've been hearing these birds louder and louder. They're really getting my attention. That channel, I am tuned, dialed into that channel. One of these guys woke me up yesterday morning. No, 2 mornings ago. 2 mornings ago I was parked behind that bush over there. I found out since that people get suspicious. That's out of their comfort zone. Big black van parked behind a bush. Maybe a terrorist or a cartel drug runner or something. He doesn't mind all this craziness from me down here. I'm chattering. He thinks that's my call. I guess he's right. Good. He's up there going, good. You're big for a bird, but and your call is not terribly pretty, but hit it, baby. That's what he's telling me. Aren't they amazing? They just don't run out of songs. Bye, Mockingbird. Thank you. You helped me this morning.